Are you graduating this year and are looking for a colorful look to add to your special day? By the end of this video, you're going to have all you need through demos, tutorials, real step-by-step guide on how to achieve this colorful eyeshadow look using the halo eye technique. My name is Donna and I'm an avid makeup and skincare enthusiast, and just like you have a passion for makeup, but I'm not a professional. But through all the videos that I've seen online and everything, I've gone through all that work so you can follow this one tutorial and see what your makeup will look on an actual real person without all the crazy beauty lights. Be sure to like this video and subscribe down below. And with that being said, we're gonna get started right into the tutorial, and my face makeup and everything's already done. And so this whole video is just gonna be focused on the eyes. So here we go with the eyes. I'm gonna consider this step one, and I'm going in with quite a few palettes today. Actually, not quite a few, just a few, but they're all from Colourpop. I'm going in with the Meant to Be palette, the Just My Luck, and I'm probably gonna also dip into this So Jaded one here. So these are all from Colourpop, and they all have this nice green theme, lighter greens and things like that. I've never actually gone into this one, but I wanted to create a green, blue, purple look, but then I'm like, you know what? I think I just kind of want to stick to what my top is, and I'm going to stick into this kind of theme. Now, when it comes to this look, you can achieve the same thing with a different color. So if you were doing all pinks, let's say, you would take the lightest color and then go a little darker. So I'm going to have everything up on the screen here, which color that I'm using, and you can follow along with these colors or whatever tone you're choosing. Blues, pinks, variety of them. You can do whatever you like. So here we go. First things first, I'm going to go in with the light color here. I'm going to go in with Get Fresh. And I think for the next color that I want to do, I'm going to dip into this Huda Beauty palette right here. This is the Emerald Obsessions. This is what it looks like right here. I'm going to go into this color right up here, and I'm going to do that just on the outer parts here, and then we'll work on the shimmers for the inner lid. I don't really do a halo eye all too often, but they really are gorgeous. And they really do a lot with the eye because you can put the shimmers in the middle. It's really something. Oh, got some hair all over the place. Now I'm going in with Ice Cold back into the Meant to Be palette here. Now we're into the darker colors. Okay, and there we go. It can look a little something when there's not all the shimmer, but I'm going to go in with the shade. I think I'm going to go in with Mint Tea, and then I'm going to put Mojito Miami on top of that. Okay, there we go. Now I'm gonna go in with Mojito Miami, and that's really just gonna be right in the center. And then going into Play It Cool on the inner corner right here. So I like how the eyes turned out, but I want to see if just changing the lipstick is going to do anything. So I'm going to take this off. I was trying to keep the lips nice and subdued since the eyes are quite loud. I'm going to go in with this Givenchy lipstick here. And it's this nice kind of purple color. I think it would look really nice with the eyes. That is nice, but I want to see with a different color. So let's see. Gonna go in with the shade here, Charlotte Tilbury. This is Pillow Talk. That is nice. It's got a bit of that pinky coral nature to it, that with the eyes. So it's got a very big kind of beach vibe. You know what I want to do? What's not sitting right with me with these eyes is the under eye. I think it's just a little bit too intense for my liking. In person, it looks really nice. But on camera, it's just registering. Okay, that was better. Even just that, just blending it a bit. Really brought it down a little bit. There we go. That's a lot better. Just that little bit there. And you know, if you were one who wears false lashes, this would be the time to kind of go put them on. You could do more of a wing than I can, but I have very like sunken eyes here, a lot of folds, so I can't bring it out to where I want it to. They just sit there. They go kind of down. I can't really go very, very high up. I kind of like how it turned out. I'll close my eyes here so you can see them. So this is the halo eye, and as you saw during the process of doing it, it can look really weird. I was like, okay, I'm doing something wrong. I've done this before from quite a few times. What's going on? But you have to wait till the final step. You have to wait till you can put the shimmers on. You have to wait until you put some eyeliner and mascara, because it really does bring it together. So when you're doing your makeup, just see it through. Just don't stop and just go right to the end. Once you get to the end, if you don't like what's going on, then you can redo it. But right now, as you know, I've never used that palette, and I've never done an all green look, especially this minty green, but I'm really liking the way it turned out. And again, on camera, it matches my shirt more in real life. Right now it looks very green, and then this is very blue, but this top is actually more minty green than what's registering on camera. So like in person, it's all kind of working out, which is kind of really nice. So there we have it. We finished our eye makeup and we did a beautiful halo eye. And again, you can do the same thing with any color palette if you follow the same steps of the lighter colors, darker on the outside and the inside, and reserve the middle space there for the shimmer. You can do this with neutrals. You can do this with so many. It's so versatile to do this look, and it's really something. It just elevates your eye makeup to like the next level. Check below and follow me on all my socials. They're in the description down below. If you like this video, then check out these other videos here to really up your makeup game and to have a gander at my makeup collection. Thank you so much for watching this video. And again, congratulations on your big day. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.